Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dana Yulianti. I am from class 12 MIPA 5. I will make tutorial shooting basketball.
First, spread your feet shoulder width apart and put your weight on your feet. Second, bend your knees slightly. Standing straight will lock your knee and can easily cause you to lose your balance. Bend your knees as comfortable as you can so you can jump as soon as you get hold of the ball. Third, bend your thighs and knees deeper to gather more power. Next, take a small jump forward when shooting. Next, pass the ball up with your shooting hand. Let's release the ball. Before you reach the top of your jump, release the ball with your shooting hand forward the basket.
Thanks for watching. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.